Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to collaborate with someone on a post in Instagram. If you're looking to create engaging and collaborative content with your friends or colleagues, you're in the right place. So, let's dive into our full guide on how to collaborate with someone on a post in Instagram. Step 1. Open Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Ensure that you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on the plus icon to add a post. Located at the bottom center of the app, you'll find a plus icon. Tap on it to start creating a new post. Step 3. Select the photo, video, or other media you want to include in your post. Choose the content you wish to share and select it from your device's gallery. Step 4. Tap on Next and edit what you are going to post. Add filters, captions, or any other edits you want to make to your post. Once you're done, tap on Next to proceed. Step 5. Tap on Next again and tap on Tag People. On the new post screen, tap on Next and then select Tag People to initiate the collaboration process. Step 6. Tap on Invite Collaborator. Within the Tag People screen, you'll find the option to Invite Collaborator. Tap on it to invite someone to collaborate on your post. Step 7. Search for your collaborator's name or username, select them, and tap on Invite. Use the search bar to find your collaborator on Instagram. Once you've found them, select their profile and tap on Invite to send them a collaboration request. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to collaborate with someone on a post in Instagram. Together, you can create amazing content and engage your audience like never before. Remember, collaboration opens up endless possibilities for creativity and connection. Don't hesitate to invite your friends, colleagues, or influencers to collaborate on your Instagram posts. Thank you for watching today's video on how to collaborate with someone on a post in Instagram. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting content and happy collaborating on Instagram.